Are air-cooled motorcycles actually reliable? Yes. Okay, that's it. See, just cut the video, post it, we're done. Okay, it's not quite that simple. Stick around for a few minutes. What's up, everyone? It's Alex. Answering viewer questions again. Let's just get right into it. Today's question was from Rudy, and Rudy asked, with an air and oil cool, would it be able to withstand long cruises without overheating? I'm looking to get my first bike, considering this one. And Rudy was actually talking about a V-Star 950, but this applies to almost any well-made air-cooled motorcycle, okay? Yes, absolutely. With the right engineering and proper maintenance, air-cooled motorcycles will be reliable for years and years and years and years. Riding long distances on a good, properly maintained and properly designed air-cooled motorcycle will not bother them whatsoever. People have literally been riding air-cooled motorcycles since there were motorcycles, and many of those models throughout the years. I'm talking going all the way back to 40s, 50s, 60s, especially 70s. I mean, the Honda CB750 was an air-cooled motorcycle, and that thing built like one of the most ridiculous track records for overall reliability and versatility of any motorcycle ever made, okay? So, air-cooled motorcycles, as long as they're from a good manufacturer with proper engineering and you maintain them, absolutely fine. The big thing with going to liquid-cooled motorcycles is you can push a liquid-cooled, a water-cooled engine further than you can push an air-cooled motor. Like, it will handle higher temperature regulation, etc. So you can push more performance out of them. That's why you'll see all of your super sport motorcycles, etc. are going to be water-cooled engines. Anything that's really designed at crazy high performance is going to be a water-cooled engine because you can just push it a lot further. You can squeeze more performance out of it. But that being said, there have been people for many decades that squeeze a lot of performance out of air-cooled bikes, okay? It's not to say you can't. You can just get more performance out of a water-cooled bike. But air-cooled bikes, very reliable. This one's air-cooled. It's been super reliable so far. My Yamaha Raider was air-cooled, super reliable. A CB500F, air-cooled, reliable. As a matter of fact, every air-cooled bike that I've ever owned, which includes like my Buells and everything, very reliable motorcycles, okay? It's all about design and maintenance. It's not gonna be a problem. Like, I rode my Raider for like 7 hours one day, and that was mostly in stop and go traffic because I got stopped in a pileup on the interstate. No problems whatsoever, okay? There have been a few different years and a few different engines in Harleys that I've seen if you're stopped in traffic for a long time, will get really hot. And I've seen a lot of guys pull over and shut them off. I don't know if they were overheating or if they were just roasting their legs, but I'm not gonna say that all air-cooled motors won't get too hot. I'm just gonna say most of them, especially you pick something air-cooled from Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki, Kawasaki, most of your Harleys are gonna be just fine. BMW makes some really reliable air and oil cooled motorcycles. Drew, to answer your question, I know I'm repeating myself, but absolutely, you pick an air-cooled motorcycle with good enough engineering, which a V-Star 950 or the Bolt or anything built off of that platform, great engineering, no problems whatsoever. I wouldn't hesitate to buy basically any air-cooled motorcycle, you know, from Yamaha in at least the last 20-30 years or something like that. So air-cooled bikes, perfectly fine. Just a little bit different way of doing it. Most manufacturers that do it for the lower maintenance intensity because, you know, you don't have to worry about coolant or anything like that. I hope that helped, Rudy. I'm Alex. Peace.